ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕರಿತೀರಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಏನು ಬಂದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗೇನು ಸರ್?
ಇವತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಹಾಂ ರೀ
ಇದು ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಏನು
ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಾರ ಚಲೋ ಬರ್ತಾರ.
ಚಲೋ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಬರೋಬ್ಬರಿ ಕೈ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗಣಪತಿ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ?
ನಾನೊಂದು ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ
ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಶೋಭಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸುಮ್ಕೊಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸುಮ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ.
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸೇಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಸೇಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್.
ये जनाब,
ಅಲ್ಲ
यो जनाब,
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ
ಬಂದಾಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದೆ.
ये क्या खराब हुआ है ये?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಬೀಬಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ.
हबीबी ये MFCPC
21 ಇಂದ ಅಪ್ ಟು 28. ಆಲ್ MFS ಅದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು CTS 191 192 150 191 192 55 CTS ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಹೋಗುದ್ರದು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್
ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ MF ಮೇಬಿ
MF ಐತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇ ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇ ಯಾವ್ದು
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ MF ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೋಬ್ಬರಿ ಏನು MF Act 7ಗೆ 8 MF
8
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
20ವರೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ 21 ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು RF ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನ ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ GM
ಐತಿ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹತ್ತೀನಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಏನಾಗ ಅದೇನು ದಂಡ ಅಂತದೆ ಸೂಚಿ ಬಿಡೋದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆರಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
Yes.
kindly up.
My ladyship, may I make a submission, my ladyship? I seek an adjournment on serial number 88.
And they'll call for the adjournments.
Yes.
Council is
Kindly
not
up.
keeping well.
It's kind.
From that end, we'll see. That's because please give me a week, then I'll understand. Yes. Now, what's the urgency now? What's the urgency now? Each one of you, what is the urgency for this week? Then you mention, otherwise don't mention. We'll see next week, any other matters here. What is the urgency? When did you file the writ petition? 25? Vacate stay, we will see, yes. No, vacate stay, we'll see next week, yes. Next week we'll see. What, sir?
Certain conditions have been included.
When did you file?
Yesterday.
Yes, well, if it is numbered, objections are complied with, then only listed, yes.
Tomorrow matter 2:30, my lord. Tomorrow is the auction, my lord. I file it on first day of the opening. my lord.
DRT matter.
Yeah, demand.
Who are you? You're the borrower.
Please, I am the.
When did you receive the notice?
I have received already on 31st,
Huh?
1st December. So,
When is the auction? Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow, whatever it is, we can stop it tomorrow also. Let it come tomorrow, yes.
First matter, my lord, yesterday I filed it. My lord,
What is the matter?
my lord, matter is, my lord, committee which is, my lord, constituted under the WAF Act.
This is fixed.
Committee constituted under the WAF Act. My lord, their term has been expired. My lord, I have made a request to the WAF board that under section 54, already may be passed. So that, my lord, no fresh elections can be held in the, my lord,
Tomorrow, yes.
please. My lord, another matter for vacating.
Only one.
One more matter. Tomorrow is the day before trial for impleading.
As I said to him, only one mention. Yes.
Lord, petitioner was not disqualified from directorship, madam. Or section 29 of Karnataka Code is not applicable to the petitioner. Lord, then some matter is urgent, not,
When is impugned?
impute order, petitioner was disqualified from directorship of the,
When is it? When is it passed?
not 31st March, not December.
Yes, not tomorrow, in the coming week. Yes.
Please, my lord. This is the matter, my lord. Petitioners are seeking a mandamus. As per the government order, my lord, 40 lakhs per acre compensation has been fixed, my lord. As per that government order only, they are seeking for giving a consent to pass an award as per
Did
the,
you file that writ petition?
please, my lord.
When was the writ petition filed?
Writ petition is filed on before vacation, my lord. This honorable court already passed an order covered by judgment of this.
Still, we'll take it next week. Yes.
Please, my lord.
One matter.
Yes.
My lord, here the vendors have borrowed the loan from the cooperative bank, my lord.
First, what I want to know is, when is the writ petition filed? What is the urgency to take now, this week?
Writ petition is filed in the year 2025, my lord, last.
25, when?
My lord,
We'll see.
in the month of September.
We'll see, yes.
Two matters now pertains to seeking custody of a child, my lords. It may be taken next week, any date, my lord.
Let's do mandamus matters next week.
Next week, it can be given next week, we'll see, yes.
Mandamus matters. Sir.
We'll see, yes.
But here, what has happened, I am the pending matter, my lord. I am the respondent judgment debtor. I am ready to pay the money. This honorable court has permitted me to withdraw the money which is deposited in the court. But the petitioner, the decree holder himself has obtained the stay. Tomorrow is the auction that is kept in. In the execution petition, he has not moved an application. In a pending RSA, I have been permitted to deposit, auction the areca nuts and permitted to withdraw the money. I am ready to withdraw that money and clear off the loan. Now, for even that withdrawal, he has obtained the stay. I filed my objections and vacating application. Tomorrow they are kept for auction.
RSA, a permission that is given to you.
Yes, no.
In a writ petition, he obtains.
No. What has happened in RA, he moves an application saying that money cannot be withdrawn. That has been rejected. That order has been challenged in the writ petition.
Yes.
Tomorrow. Our judgment, my lords, mandamus writ.
We will see. We'll see. There are so many date given matters. Like this week.
Next
let
week,
it
any
go.
date, my lords.
We will see next week. Yes.
Auction sale
Next
is
week.
fixed. Auction sale is fixed
Give it to
tomorrow.
them. No. Let them move next week. Yes.
Auction sale is fixed tomorrow that expires tomorrow. This court has already granted interim order and disposed of to hand over the possession. Instead of handing over possession, they are again issued a notice for auction sale, my lords. That
You
has been
complied with the order passed for this court.
Sorry, ma'am.
You have complied with the order passed for this court.
I have complied, my lords, but they have not handed over the possession, even though I have deposited.
No, if that is the order, you should file a contempt.
A contempt is also filed, but they have issued a notice for fixing the once again sale.
When is the sale?
Lords, that 15 days on they expire tomorrow, my lords. That's 15 days.
Sale is on?
Sale is, my lords, on 23rd they have issued. So tomorrow that may be last day for the.
Tomorrow.
Please.
TMC is a fresh matter, my lord. Suit for partition, my lord. Respondent filed a partition suit, my lord. In that, they contended that petitioner is getting more than 5 lakh yield, my lord. However, I have filed an application to produce the document to show that I'm getting more than 5 lakh.
We will see. Yes. We'll
My
see.
lord.
CPC matters for next week, my lord. The respondent of the petitioners have obtained the order by suppressing the facts. Now, in the, my lord, the land,
Which year is this?
my lord, one is 25, the other one is 24. Last 1 year in the, my lord, they have suppressed the facts.
All
about-
this mentioning is next week. Yes.
I mean,
Old matters next week, please make a mention. Yes.
Fresh matter.
Let's,
Challenging the Lok Adalat decree, my lords.
You are challenging the Lok Adalat?
Adalat decree, my lords.
Hmm.
Now, my lords, according to.
When was the other Lok Adalat decree? Award?
My lords, in the FDP in the 25, my lords.
Which month, which?
Lords, in the.
We'll see. This also no urgency. Yes.
My lords, urgency is now they are trying to dispossess me, my lords, and changing the mutation entries, my lords.
When did you file that writ petition?
My lords, before occasion.
Yes, not tomorrow, subject to any Wednesday or Thursday. Yes.
One matter, my lord. I am appearing for the respondent, my lord. It is covered against me.
Huh?
I am appearing for the respondent, my lord. The issue is covered against me. My lord. Next week, my lord, covered by decision against me.
We'll see next week. Now it's, yes.
This is the matter where government has preferred a liability, you know, preferred an appeal. Connected matters today is listed, you know. And in spite, this honorable court has granted interim order and directed to deposit 50% of the amount. We have already deposited the amount, you know. But then also execution, they have pressing the execution, you know. Today, as matter is listed, so it may be posted along with the.
Which is the number?
Yeah, number 18, your lordship.
18.
18, your lordship. But this is the claimant's petition, your lordship, appeal, your lordship.
Call
This
for
is
that.
the government's appeal.
18 will be called after at 2:30.
Along
Yes, along with this.
Tomorrow, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Because if they are pressing.
Who is, because they must be having the urgency. They must be having the urgency. If the matter is that you be here, if it is acceptable for them, it's.
Madam, fresh matter.
For fresh matters, why do you have to move? It will come in the list. Huh?
Pertaining to cooperative society.
Huh.
My lord, registrar has approved the committee, my lord, without following the procedure, my lord. It,
No, what is the urgency to be taken up today itself or this week? If there is no urgency, please move next week. Yes.
This case.
I think it's the same thing applies to everyone. Instead of
Let's-
wasting the time, we can.
One matter.
Only matter which can't wait. That only please mention.
So,
Yes.
one matter.
Huh? When was it next issued?
It was issued in the month of December, my lords. Now we have filed it before vacation, my lords. Fresh
It will come, it will come, yes.
Seven.
One format. It has to be brought up in court. They stay by the petitioner.
2017 matter. Yes, next week.
Matter, my lord, sir. Tender matter.
Government local or decree, no opportunity has been given and decree has been passed and the concerned execution is pending on this 10th of the January. And there is
next week review ಬೇರೆ.
take up the challenge the government local or decree because we have not participated.
Next Monday,
Let's-
yes.
One tender matter, my lord, wherein let's vacation bench, they have filed a tender writ petition. Earlier, one of the millers participant has filed a writ petition and there is a pendency of millers that writ petition. Suppressing that fact, now millers fresh writ petition has filed, entire tender has been stalled, miller. That is not been the order of the,
When was interim order granted?
interim order was granted in 26th millers, December. That interim order is contrary to the miller's order passed in the pendency of the miller's writ petition, which is a similar matter, miller. It is posting tomorrow, miller. May I seek millers that
Post along with that.
I filed a petition yesterday.
One-
Position under section 14 of the PRT Act is taken. Lord, for the mortgage property which is on the first floor. Lord, my property is on the ground floor. Neither I am a borrower, nor my lord guarantor, nor my property is mortgaged. Lord, the possession is taken during the vacation.
You're the owner of the property.
I am the owner of the property. My lord, the person who has borrowed the loan is different.
When was the position taken?
My lord, during vacation, 22nd December.
It can come next week. What's the
Because my lord,
urgency
it's a
with that?
residential house.
Huh?
Residential house.
But you're saying they're taking the position
Yes, they
already.
have taken the possession.
We will see, we will see. Yes,
May I request
Electricity
next
law.
week?
next
in-
week, yes.
Madam,
one seat.
We were just replacing the electricity lines on an already existing electricity line.
When they have done it.
My lord, they have obtained an interim, petitioners have obtained an interim order in the month of July, wherein they have stayed the replacing.
We'll see next week, yes.
One CPC matter, my lord. CPC matter. Already notice has issued. Now, my lord, the
You
matter is
already
proceeding.
mentioned only one, yes.
Section 10, my lord.
MFA, my lord, husband and wife died in the accident, my lord.
Huh?
Husband and wife died in the accident.
Huh.
Daughters are the claimants, my lord. The insurance company has challenged their appeal, my lord. They are facing some financial problems.
Next week we will see, not now. You can mention next week, call the list.
Fresh matter, my lord.
Lordship,
Fresh matter.
Fresh matters will come in the list immediately once they are numbered.
Next week, my lord.
They will come.
Lordship, this is the disposal case, Lordship. Kindly see, extension of time, Lordship. This case, 4 cases arising out of the already disposal by the Honorable Court, Lordship. Lordship, this 4 cases, Lordship, already disposal by this Honorable Court, Lordship. At the time of disposal of the granted, permission is granted to extend the time, Lordship, to file the application, Lordship. Date for tomorrow come to end, Lordship. That's why it is necessary to list, Lordship.
One request, my lord, one request on behalf of my lord center. Fresh matters, if it is moved, lordship may like, consider and post the matter, send the memos. Otherwise, my lord, they will not scrutinize.
Now, please understand.
Please.
This is a practice I'm following. I'll instruct the registry to immediately list the matters, the moment they are numbered. Why they will not do it? No, that's not the practice. We shouldn't give memos and then ask them to do their job.
The practical issue, my lord, what we are facing is, unless and until my lord, memos are moved and the submitted memos, we preferably, my lord, they will scrutinize. Otherwise, my lord, they will not touch them.
We'll find out today.
Please.
Yes, call the list.
My lord, tender.
My lord, may I make a submission, my lord?
Call the PS, call the PS.
My lords, may I make a submission? My lord. Serial number 88, my lords.
Adjournments.
Page number 1, serial number 1 to 4. Page number 2, serial number 5 to 7. Page number 3, serial number 8 to 14.
Lordship, a matter at serial number 7, a memo for withdrawal has been filed.
No, we will see when the matter. Yes.
Page number 4, serial number 15 to 19. Page number 5, serial number 20 to 21.
My lord, serial number 20, my lords.
Yes.
I appear, my lords, in serial number 20.3. I seek, my lords, 2 weeks accommodation. I want to file my rejoinder, my lords, to their vacating stay application, my lords.
My lords, in this matter, I appear for respondent, my lords. We are ready for the matter. In fact, it's been more than 2 years that they have obtained the interim relief.
We will see when the matter reaches. Yes. Yes.
Page number 6, serial number 22 to 25. Page number 8, serial number 26 to 28. Page number 9, serial number 29 to 32. Page number 10, serial number 33 to 38. Page number 36.
Serial number 37. 37, what do you want?
Kindly have next week.
You appear for whom?
Appellant.
Huh?
Appellant.
Appellant.
I Gurunath.
Why do you require time? Why do you require time in this? MFA?
Senior is not.
We will see. Because nothing, you're seeking stay on deposit of amount, you will get the stay. Why you want? Yes, next.
Serial number 11. Serial number 11. Page number 11, serial number 39 to 42.
Serial number 42, my lord. Mr. Ravi Hegde has recently recovered from a surgery. I request one short accommodation.
Mr. Ravi Hegde.
Yes,
Have you informed the petitioner council?
I'll inform my lord. Zedin Hansi.
Sir, because of health reasons, I'm adjourning, but I
Yes.
want to be informed that then
Yes,
you
I'll
must
ensure
make
that.
a mention.
Yes.
It is submitted that the council for the respondent is unwell. This is matter next week.
Any date, my lords, I'll appear and I'll make my
Next week.
submission.
Yes, next.
Page number 12, serial number 43 to 47.
45, my lords. 45.
Hmm.
Lord, the parties have, my lord, amicably settled the matter.
Hmm.
Lord, place it on record, my lord, any date, my lord, next week.
Yes, list it in the third week.
Serial number 46, my lord.
Please.
46, my lord.
44. This was the third week. It's submitted that the matter is settled and they'll come up with an appropriate memo. Yes.
Serial number 46, my lord.
Hmm.
It will be referred to Lok Adalat, my lord. In both matters, my lord. I appears for respondent number 2, my lord.
At the request of the parties, counsel for the petitioner, appellant.
Respondent number 2, my lord.
Matter is referred to the local Adalat.
Please, madam.
Yes.
Serial number 47, your lordship.
Yes.
Weeks accommodation may kindly be granted. There are some office objection in the connected matter. We will comply the same, your lordship. Weeks accommodation may kindly be granted. I appear for appellant.
It's a matter of 2024. Why have you not complied with the office objections?
Weeks accommodation may kindly be granted. your lordship.
47, a week's time is granted for complying with the office objections, or else the appeal shall stand dismissed without further reference to the court. Yes, next.
Obliged, my lordship.
Page number 13, serial number 48 to 56. Page number 14, serial number 57 to 66.
Let's serial number 61 and 63. Both the matters appear for petitioner. I pray for short accommodation. Let's
60,
61 and 63.
61 and
63. On behalf of,
this matter, without even issuing the notice, why is it pending from
let's
24?
very short accommodation. We'll argue the matter.
No, it's not a question of short accommodation.
Serial number 63 was in compliance.
Yes, from 24 till 26, if you're waiting, there is nothing in this writ petition.
No, let's, we'll argue
We'll
the
see,
matter.
we will see, because it
2
can't come
days,
up
Manoj.
again in the list, no.
At least for tomorrow, let's. My colleague will argue the matter. That's the reason I'm.
You are not arguing, but that's why it is pending from 21 without even notice. We will see. Yes.
Serial number 65, my lords.
60?
65.
Yes.
Kindly a week's accommodation may be granted.
Why?
Due to some personal inconvenience, my senior is not available.
This matter in third week? Yes. At the request of learned counsel for the petitioner? Yes.
Page number 15, serial number 67 to 75.
Serial number 71, my lordship.
70?
1, my lordship. Kindly seek short accommodation, my lordship.
Fresh matters, if you seek adjournment, it will come after 4 weeks. Yes, list this matter after 4 weeks at the request of learned counsel for the petitioner.
Please.
Page number 60, serial number 76 to 80.
Your
Page
lordship,
number-
79. My lord, 79.
Yes.
Serial is not keeping well, your lordship. It will be taken up on next week.
Which one? 70?
79. I am appearing on behalf of respondent, your lordship.
Have you informed the counsel for the petitioner?
Inform your lordship.
Yes, at the request of learned counsel for the respondent. List this matter after 3 weeks. In this, if there is any interim order, extended. Yes.
Please. Sir.
Page number 70, serial number 81 to 82. Page number 18, serial number 83 to 88.
My lord, serial number 84, I appear for petitioner. I pray for 10 days time, my lords.
Why?
Lord, some personal inconvenience.
You are not Mr. Jagdish Patil.
No, I am his colleague, my lords.
This, Who appears for the respondent?
Government.
No objection for you? This is matter after 4 weeks at the request of learned counsel for the petitioner. Wherever the matters are adjourned, interim order is there.
Interim order, please.
Yes.
My ladyship, serial number 88.
Serial number?
88.
Yes. Yes.
I kindly seek adjournment, Your Honor.
When do you want?
A week's accommodation may be given.
Your Lordship, serial number 83, Your
This is
Lordship.
also 3 weeks. Look at it, interim order is extended. Yes.
Your Lordship, serial number 83, representing the petitioner, Your Lordship. I request for a 2 weeks time, Your Lordship. Party is from Bombay, Your Lordship. I need to seek instructions.
Who appears for the respondent?
State, Your Lordship.
Nobody is appearing.
Labor Commission.
Yes, this is
My
matter.
lord, appearing for the respond number 2, my lord, undertake to file wakalat, my lord, on behalf of the respond number 2.
List after 4 weeks.
Yes.
For respond number
Yes.
1, Your Lordship, I'll take notice in that matter. 83. For respond number 1, Your Lordship.
You appear.
Please, Your Lordship.
Do
HCG.
you have any objection for the adjournment? Yes.
HCG.
Yes.
Page number 90, serial number 89 to 94.
My lord, serial number 89, my lord. The
18.
counsel for the petitioner is got some personal inconvenience, my lord. I am already informed the other side, my lord. Short accommodation, my lord.
The request after 2 weeks. Yes.
Please, my lord. Okay.
Page number 20, serial number 95 to 101.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my lord. I'm party in person. It's been more than 1.5 years, madam. This MC case and maintenance case is going on in family court. So
Where is which number?
this 99. It's 99, my lord. So I have filed this writ petition for the enhancement of the maintenance and also for the refund of the
You have to wait till you matter. If you want the adjournment, then only you have to mention now. You want adjournment?
No, madam.
Then please wait. When your matter comes, you can argue. Okay. Yes.
List number 1, orders matter.
Where is the PS? She has come. Come here. Where is the pad? Where is the pillow? Where is the pad? Where is the pillow? Oh, it's okay, but get the pillow, pad, nothing. Yes, go.
List number 1, orders matter, serial number 1.
Give the file. Where is the letter? But they have challenged the order and they put on the letter.
Nisanki, serial number 1.
Serial number 1, my lord, I am not pressing. I am not pressing.
What you are not pressing?
The writ petition. Serial number 1.
Right from 2019, it is going on a stay granted without appearing before the medical board. There's a stay in this, I think.
But I do not know.
And this is a report of the judge that you have not appeared before the medical board and you question an order passed on IA and obtain interim order from this court.
I have instructed the party and the lower court advocate. I do not get the instruction.
Fortunate that from 2019, why this writ petition is filed?
But
Why is it pending? Why
today,
it is stayed?
please, my lord. Today they have telephoned me to withdraw that case.
We should do it with cause. We should permit you to withdraw with cause for keeping this writ petition from 2019 without even complying with orders of the court.
Directed to appear before the medical board.
Writ petition is filed, questioning an order that's passed in I number 8 in MEC number 938 of 2015 dated 29/3/2019. On 28/9/8/2019, stay was granted. The stay of all further proceedings in MVC number 938 out of 2015 was granted, that came to be extended from time to time. In fact, there was an order directing the petitioner to appear before the medical board. A report is placed before this court. A letter is addressed by the first additional district and session judge Ballari dated 23/12/2025, stating that this matter is stayed from 2019 and the petitioner, in spite of the orders passed, has not appeared before the medical board. Hence, as it is a old matter, a request was made for early disposal of the writ petition. Today, when the matter came up, a memo is filed by the learned counsel for the petitioner that he wants to withdraw the writ petition. It is so unfortunate that right from 2019, the proceedings are being stayed by this court, and the petitioner has not even chosen to appear before the medical board. The memo is taken on record. The writ petition is, the memo is taken on record. The petition is permitted to withdraw the writ petition. However, the tribunal shall dispose of this matter as expeditiously as possible, but not later than 3 months. If the petitioner does not appear before the medical board, the tribunal is at liberty to proceed with the matter. Yes, next.
Serial number 2.
For the respondent.
This matter may kindly be referred for mediation, my lords. Matter may kindly be referred for mediation, my lords. There is a possibility of.
First of all, advocate to clarify the maintainability of IA number 1 of 25 and IA number 2 of 25.
The respondent he has filed, my lords.
What is this IA?
No, it's a recalling of order mails passed by this honorable court dated 22nd October 2024, my lords. In this case, what has happened is. Please,
when was the RPFC disposed of?
On 22nd October 2024, my lords.
October 2024.
Please.
Yes. Why it should be disposed? Why it should be called?
No notices were served upon me, my lords, in this case. In fact, my lords, the petitioner has mentioned a wrong address, stating that I am working as an executive engineer in some department at Mumbai. Now I have verified with the records, my lords, the summons are served at that department. I have no nexus with the department at all, my lords. On 28/10/2022.
Yes, my lords.
MC is pending.
No, MC is not pending, lords. So what has happened, my lords? I have filed the maintenance petition before the family court. There, my lords.
No, that's the only litigation that's pending.
Only this is the litigation, lords. We are ready for settlement, my lords.
DV proceedings are dismissed, my lords. DV proceedings are dismissed. And the 498A proceedings, criminal cases are stayed by this one.
DV proceedings and the 498A, what is the address furnished?
My house address, my lords.
Not this address.
Not this address.
Where do you get that?
I'll place that on record, my lords. Here, he has mentioned both the addresses, in fact, my lords. One is of my house and the other is of presently working in Mercantile Marine Department.
What is the order passed by the trial court?
As far as concerning for the wife, my lords, the maintenance petition is came to be dismissed. Agreed by that order, my lords, I approached before this court.
What is the order passed by this court?
This court is
the trial court, as far as not granting maintenance to the wife, is set aside, and the wife is entitled for an amount of rupees 10,000 per month. Yes, what are your submissions on the merits of the matter?
I'll make submissions on the merits. In fact, my lords, they have also given us a proposal for settlement, and we have also agreed to that amount. If it is to be referred to mediation, my lords.
My lords, wife's contention is that, my lords, she is demanding 15 lakhs, and plus, my lords, she is having child, my lords. She is demanding one house, my lords. If they are ready to give, my lords, we are ready for settlement, my lords. Already, my lords, last from 10 years, my lords, both of them are staying separately, my lords, and is having sufficient income, my lords, as per as instruction, my lords, which I have been received by her, my lords. And if matter is
IA number 1 of 1 of 25 is filed to recall the order dated 22nd October 2024, whereby this court has granted maintenance of an amount of rupees 10,000 to the wife. Then counsel appearing for the respondent husband submits that the address that is furnished in the, as stated in the cause title is not the correct address. And in fact, the petitioner, the respondent is not staying in the address.
It's not working in the assessments.
As
This
such,
is my work as a citizen.
the order needs to be recalled. Both the parties submits that the compromise talks are going on. The matter may be referred to the mediation. The party shall appear before the mediation center,
My lords, one date may be given, but next date, any date may fix, my lords.
shall appear before the mediation center.
On 14th, my lord, before the trial court, my lord, there is a date before the trial court on 12th. On 14th, I will present.
For the mediation center on 12th of January. List this matter on 19th January.
Please.
Next.
Seal number 3. Ravindra Armani.
My lord, I am for the appellant, my lord. I pray for some time for taking steps.
The petitioner, the notice issued to the respondent for as returned unserved for 3 times. The petitioner the appellant shall come up with appropriate application for substituted service.
Please,
Within 2 weeks from today, or else the appeal shall stand dismissed as far as the third respondent is concerned. The first respondent is concerned. Yes.
Seal number 4.
Hearing for petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
This case, my lord, respondent number 2 dead, my lord, and respondent number 3 and 5 are the legal representative of respondent number 2.
Let's see.
They are already on record.
Who died?
Respondent number 2, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
Respondent number 2, my lord.
Respondent number 2 died.
Please, my lord.
She is the mother of?
3 to 5, my lord.
No, who is the first respondent?
He is separate, my lord. Respondent number 2.
It has nothing to do with the second respondent.
Please.
Yes. Third respondent is?
Son of my lord, second respondent.
4?
4, 5 are also my lord, son of the my lord, respondent number 2, my lord.
5?
5 no. 5 is also my lord. 3, 4 and 5.
3, 4, 5 are the LRs.
Please, ma'am.
A memo is filed stating that the second respondent is no more, and respondent number 3 is the son, 4 is the daughter, 4 and 5 are the daughters of the second respondent, as LRs are already on record. And hence the 3, 4, 5, 4 and 5 may be treated as LRs of second respondent. Accordingly, memo is taken on record and the petitioner shall carry out the necessary amendment.
Please.
Yes. Next.
Seal number 5. 14%.
No, what about 4.1?
My lord.
No, what is this 4.1?
4.1, my lord. I have to file the wakalat of petitioner in serial number 4, my lord. Is also one of the respondent in.
By the next date of hearing, the wakalat shall be filed.
Please.
Yes, 5.
14%. Seal number 5, 14%. DB Jyoti.
My lord, if second respondent is changed her address, therefore we reach notice. Stay attack.
I'll post it before the other court. There you
Notice
argue.
notice re-notice order. Re-notice order. No, re-notice to order the respondent is change her address. Therefore, we reissue.
The party in person is the petitioner. After obtaining the necessary orders from the Honorable Chief Justice, list this matter before the other court. Yes, 6.
Seal number 6. Balloli Sivraj, serial number 6.
So 1 week time to do the needful, my lords. Take steps and
When he died,
no instructions, my lord. I'll know instructions regarding that. I'll take instructions and do the needful.
it is the R9 is no more. R9, R14 and R17 are no more. No more. The petitioner shall take appropriate steps within a period of
1 week.
within a period of 1 week. Or else the appeal against the writ petition shall be dismissed as awaited against the respondents. Then the notice to R1, R5, R8, R10, R12 and R15 and 16 returned as refused amounts to deemed service of notice. Yes.
There's an interim order may kindly be extended.
Interim order, look at it. If it is there, extend it till the next date of hearing.
Please.
7.
Serial number 7. Joshi.
Your Lordship, there is a memo for withdrawal filed. Earlier, this petition was filed with a limited prayer. However, due to changed circumstances, a comprehensive writ petition is also filed already. So in that view, this may kindly be disposed
So, sir,
of.
what is the relief that you sought in this writ petition?
Only seeking permission for puja rights, Your Lordship. This is a GMRC matter, and in the temple which is notified under the law, and we are hereditary archakas of that family and that temple. So we had been performing pujas in that temple. However, my right were curtailed, and I had filed this present writ petition. However, after these hindrances, I was ousted from the temple premises in the place which I was granted.
Remedy to the petition is to file a writ petition?
Your Lordship, please.
Asking the remedy is to come before this court?
There is a remedy under the act before the Rajya Dharmika Parishad.
That's what?
Please, Your Lordship. However, since these were unlawful acts of not only the administrator, and it was also included by the villagers.
What the act provides?
Regarding touching the administration, the Dharmika Parishad.
Then why did you come before this court?
For the reason that the respondent had
But
no.
where is that comprehensive writ petition?
I'll furnish the details, Your Lordship. I'll furnish the details.
Under section 20A of the Lords, the Hindu
You
religious.
can't come before the court for all these things. The petitioner has filed a memo seeking to withdraw the petition, stating that in respect, a comprehensive writ petition is already filed, dismissed as withdrawn. Yes, next.
Obliged.
Serial number 8.
Yes.
Serial number 8.
Request, my lord, 1 week time, lord, to take steps, your lordship. The
How
contestant.
much time?
1 week, your lordship.
A week's time? Or else the appeal shall, the writ petition shall stand dismissed as awaited against respondent 5 and 6. Then what about furnishing of PF? This is also 1 week default order.
Please.
R1 to R1 and R7, they shall file the step, they shall take the steps, or else the writ petition shall stand dismissed against R1 and R7, 1 week. Yes, 9.
Lord, interim order may be continued.
In all that they will extend wherever there is interim order. Yes.
Please.
My lord, advocate for respondent 1 and 2, my lord, requesting time to file objections. We are yet to seek instructions from the
Office has raised an objection, my lords, regarding the process, my lord, to pay to the respondent number 2.
Shall do the needful
My
within a
lords,
week.
my lords, Prashant SH advocate, my lord, is already appearing for respondent number 1. 2, my lord, is also appearing for the corporation. He may be directed to accept notice.
Who is the advocate appearing for R2?
My lord, advocate Prashant SH. His name is already shown in the process.
advocate for respondent 1 and 2 is present, ma'am.
Is appearing for both respondent number 1 and 2, my lords.
9. It is 9.
Serial 9, ma'am.
Respondent is only SH Prashant for R1.
R1, my lords, he had filed a KVIT petition. My lords, he was directed to accept notice for R1. R2 is also corporation, my lords. He may be directed to accept notice to R2 as well.
Take notice for R2 also.
Yeah, yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. So-and-so accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2. Yes.
So one
My lord,
submission.
requesting
There's urgency in
time.
this matter. My lord, the petitioners, my lord, are the employees of the corporation. They're working, my lord, since more than 30 years, my lord, in the corporation.
Give the file. Come, switch off karo. Yes.
In earlier round of litigation, my lords, this honorable court had.
Let's see the prayer, what you're seeking.
Please, my lords. Lordships may kindly come, my lord, to ink page, my lords, 24, my lords. Prayer. I'm seeking, my lord, quashing of the endorsement.
Let's see the prayer first.
Ink page 24.
Endorsement dated, issued the respondent number 1 as per Annexure A. Directing the respondent to absorb and regularize the services of the petition in the respondent corporation, initial joining and grant all consequential benefits. What is this 19/6/2025 order?
26, my lord, ink page 27, my lords.
20?
7. Annexure A. My lord, relevant portion, my lord, at 32 and 33. My lord, from 27, my lord, to 31, they have explained, my lord, the history. My lord, there are 3-4 round of litigations, my lord, before this honorable court. Now, upon some government circular 2013,
They need to file a counter to this. How can we,
Well,
what is urgency?
no, urgency, my lord, I will explain, my lords. Lords, already, my lord, this honorable court has given a finding regarding, my lord, there exists an employer-employee relationship by the industrial tribunal.
What is the interim order you're expecting?
My lord, interim order is already given. My lord, the interim order is not to remove us from, my lord, the service, my lords, from the corporation, and, my lord, not to dispose us from the quarters. Now, my lord, in spite of the interim order, they are not allowing us to enter the premise, my lord, they're threatening the petitioners, and the urgency is that they are not even paying the wages, my lord, to the petitioners. My lord, 671.
So where is the interim order? Let us see.
Interim order, my lord, 9/12/2025, my lords. Already there's a finding, my lords, that my case fits into Umadevi criteria.
No, what they said was, in case the petitioners are occupying the quarters of the respondent, they shall not dispossess
Please, my
till the next date.
Please.
So as on the date when this interim order is granted, were you in possession of
We
the-
were in the quarters. They are not dispossessing us from the quarters as of today, but they're not allowing us to enter the premise to discharge the service. And they're not even paying the wages.
No, where is that order?
In the interim order, my lords, the last but second line, considering the submission made, respondents are restrained from terminating the petitioners from the service till
What
next
do you
day.
say? Yes, what do you say?
My lord, I'm yet to seek instructions from the corporation, my lord. If you can grant me some time, I will get back to the
No,
court.
we'll
with
have it tomorrow. When there is an order of the court, you are bound to comply. Please get instructions. Why, in spite of an order dated 9/12/2025, why they are not complying it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's this matter tomorrow.
Oblige.
Yes, next.
Seal number 10.
Second accommodation, compliance officer.
Yes,
Interim order may kindly be extended in.
yes. All the matters wherever interim order is there extended.
Oblige.
Yes.
Week's time to comply the person, 1 to 5 minutes. Typed copy is annexure A is to be filed. Complaint.
What is this? Please come to your prayer.
Yes, ma'am.
To quash the endorsement issued by the fifth respondent. What
Yes.
is the endorsement given
Endorsement
by
issued,
them?
my lords, this is second round of litigation.
Second round of litigation.
In the earlier litigation, my lords, this honorable court directed the my lords, the respondent police, trace out the my lords, the vehicle which has been taken away by some miscreants, my lords. My lords, in the, my lords, kindly see, annexure is the my lords, order passed by this honorable court. My lords, since the,
Let's see, where is the page number?
my lords,
21 annexure.
page number 21, annexure E, my lords.
Let's read that.
As the C report is filed, and there is no any possible, my lords, the
No, no.
endorsement which is issued by the, my lords, the authority saying that since the vehicle is missing, and they are making, my lords, efforts to, my lords, to trace out the vehicle. And this is the endorsement issued, annexure G, in page number 25, my lords.
Their endorsement is only, they are make some effort to search out the vehicle.
Where is it, that report?
My lords, C report is filed, my lords, that is observation made by this honorable court. In page number 23.
So now what is the endorsement given?
Endorsement which we have given that, my lords, we are taking, my lords, making efforts to trace out the vehicle.
So what is to be done by this court?
Well, they are saying, go on saying in the list since 5 years. They are
So-
not search out my vehicle, my lords, where it
So
is.
what is to be done?
They have to find out my vehicle, my lords. It is a custody of the police custody. Their photographs I have produced before the court. Annexure G, Annexure C.
No, they say they're not able to find out. They're not able to find out. What direction you expect from this court?
My lords, they are bound to try, my lords, search out my vehicle, my lords. When the accident is occurred, the
And then
rider,
that-
the both are fell down and unconscious. They won't give any complaint. They are shifted to hospital and come back. Then they have filed a complaint before the authority saying that my
There can't
vehicle
be
is.
any direction of this nature.
That's incident of 2019 and earlier writ petition also, my lords.
No, no, police personnel is duty bound to search out the fine arts.
There are,
To
there
whom
are,
this
there are
gentleman-
thousands and lakhs of cases where they are not able to find. For that, there won't be any mandamus.
No, it is a duty, my lords. Their FIR is filed.
They are saying they're doing their duty, they didn't.
They
they're
are
not
filed C
finding.
report, but they cannot file C report 279. It is a case filed under this 279, my lord, accident. They have filed this C report. It is not a theft case. Nobody has given a complaint to theft, my lord. Let them say who has given a complaint theft before the authority.
Last time
They
when
are
the
not
writ
seen.
petition is filed,
Yes, madam.
last time when the writ petition is filed,
Yes,
an
madam.
order was passed.
Yes,
There, you didn't have any positive order. 1 minute. What did the court say?
yes.
It is a submission of the learned, the Garnal
Yeah,
Peter,
yes.
that they have filed a C report. In spite of that, they are searching. If C report is bad, what is to be done?
How can they file C report? That is my problem
But if
is,
something- correct.
nobody has
If-
given a
if-
complaint theft, my lord. It is 279. It is an accident case. They bound to search out and their duty to search out, search the bike.
Is
They
it
can't-
accepted? Is it accepted? Is it accepted by the court?
It obviously it must be
Huh?
accepted. It must be accepted, my lords.
Then what is the remedy available to you? If it is accepted by the court? Whatever the grounds that you are taking before the court, the same thing you have to go before the magistrate and tell that. For that, there can't be a mandamus. Please come.
But my lord, investigation officer shall earlier I read.
Whatever the remedies
Shall make
available
a
to you,
sincere effort
please,
to, my lord,
please avail
facing
it.
the
We
bike.
can't,
Till by
you
that-
can't, 226 cannot be, everything can't be done in 226. The present writ petition is filed, seeking the following prayers. It's a case of the writ petitioner that the father of the
But for a
petitioner.
moment, my lord, kindly say annexure G, which they have given. They never say that it is not trace out. We are try level our level best to search the,
Let them do it.
yes, ma'am, that that observation.
No, let them do it. If you are agreed, you can't maintain a writ petition would be the ultimate, the order that has to be passed in this.
Their endorsement itself saying that, my brother is agreed, in Kannada version I will read. What they say,
Record that, I'll record
they
that.
won't say that it's not possible. We are try our level best to search and find out the.
Let them go on.
Yes, that observation, I request this honorable court.
And I'll also make it clear that again, you will not come to the High Court. If you have any problem, you go to the, avail the appropriate remedy. The petitioner's father gave a complaint before the fifth respondent, contending that the petitioner traveling with his son, who is riding the motorcycle bearing KA 28/Q 8017 from Muttur to Jamkandi. All of a sudden, from an opposite direction, one white color four-wheeler vehicle came in high speed and hit the motorcycle and ran away. And due to the same, both of them fell down and sustained grievous injuries all over the body and shifted in different hospitals for treatment. The petitioner, the pursuant to the complaint, the police have registered the crime, that is crime number 0130 of 2019, for the offences punishable under section 279, 337, 338 of IPC and 187 under the, of the Motor Vehicles Act. It is submitted that the petitioner approached the fifth respondent to hand over the motorcycle, which met with the accident on 8/9/2019. In turn, the respondents have stated that his relatives have taken the motorcycle. Thereafter, after the petitioner is discharged from the hospital, he gave a representation to the respondents on 8/9/2019. But the the respondents are silent and they have not taken any action. When the respondents have failed to take any action, the petition has filed WP number 102,117 of 2024, seeking a mandamus directing the respondents to consider the representation as early as possible. And that it is stated that that representation, that petition came to be disposed of in that while disposing of the petition by order dated 19th June 2024, the court has observed that in response to the notice issued by the court, the learned HCGP on instructions submit that the investigating officer dehorsed the submission of the C report or still making sincere efforts to trace the bike which was lost on the date of accident. It is stated that on 4/3/2025, the respondents have given an endorsement. What it says?
Nurse, they are making efforts to, my lords, to trace out the vehicle.
Stating that they are making efforts to trace the bike. Land counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that it is not there cannot be any C report and the police cannot file a C report in this. The police are not making any efforts to trace the vehicle and the accident had taken place in the year 2019. It is submitted that it's a bounden duty of the police to find out the vehicle and return it to the petitioner, and they have not taken any action. Learned HCGP submits that.
AGA.
Then AGA submits that they are making their efforts. In spite of their best efforts, they could not trace out the vehicle. And the efforts are still in progress. Next paragraph. Having heard the counsels on either side, there is a material on record. If the petitioner, if it is a case of the petitioner that the police cannot file the C report, or there is some inaction on the part of the police, the remedy that is available to the petitioner is not to come before this court. If the C report is accepted by the court and which does not permit them to file such a report, the petitioner ought to have availed the appropriate remedy to the petitioner. Under 226, this exercising the jurisdiction under 226 of the Constitution of India, this court cannot go into all those issues. Hence, this court do not find any reasons to pass any order in this writ petition. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedies available to him under law. Yes, next.
11, Hemant Kumar L. Havargi.
Yes.
Hemant Kumar L. Havargi.
No representation. No representation. This is matter after 4 weeks. Don't extend the interim order if it is there also. Yes. Wherever there is no representation, don't extend. Yes. 12.
Serial number 12.
Serial number 12, Millards, regarding awaiting notice, Millards, it will be Millards, sir. And regarding Millards, notice to Millards, respond number 6 to 8.
So to pay the process?
Process, Millards, I will pay. But where there is a penal council matter, 6 and 8, Millards, one Rakesh Bilki. Rakesh Bilki, Millards, one Rakesh Bilki.
So and so is directed to
6
take
and 8.
notice. No, so take notice on behalf of respondents 6 to 8.
6 and 8, 6 and 8, Millards, 7 Millards government.
Oh, 6 and 8.
Please.
6 and 8, so and so is directed to take notice, and the land counsel for the petitioner shall serve the copy of the writ petition on the council. Then the
7.
What about 7?
7 Millards, ADL, Millards, ADL or Millards, government.
To appear?
Yes.
So Mr. It's called assistant government.
Additional government advocate.
Additional government
Advocate.
AGA.
Yes.
Ms. AGA is directed to take notice on behalf of R7. The petitioners of the copies of the writ petition. There is any interim order?
Please.
Interim order earlier granted is extended. Let's just matter after 4 weeks. Yes, 13.
Number 13. Hemant Kumar L. Havargi.
Yes, no representation. Let's just matter after 6 weeks. Not to extend the interim order. Yes.
Till number 14. A. Mali Patil.
Yes.
Notice is not served, my lords. It is await service.
What is that? Any interim order?
No, interim order is not there. my
What is
lords.
the writ petition about? Let's see.
My lords, I have availed the loan 29 lakhs 50,000 from the IDBI bank, my lords. And I
What
have,
are you questioning?
my lords,
Issue a writ of to
certiorari.
quash the impugned endorsement dated 28/11/2025.
That is annexure H, my lords.
Annexure?
H, page number
Page
39. 39, my lords.
39.
Yes. Wherein, my lords, I requested the bank that, my lords, to reconstruct my loan, my lords, EMI, reduction of EMI, my lords. I am ready to pay the loan, my lords.
Mandamus to that.
My lords.
Can there be a mandamus to that? It's whether they restructure, they don't restructure, it is as per their rule, they do it, isn't it?
Yes, my lords. In fact, my lords, what has,
order from the court.
what my representation is that, my lords, annexure G,
Which bank is this?
IDBI bank, my lords.
There are no counsels appearing for the IDBI bank?
No, my lords.
There must be some panel counsels.
No one is there, my lords.
When was the notice sent?
Notice was on,
The list of advocates who are appearing for the banks. List after service of notice on respondent. Yes.
I request for stay, my lords, till the next.
No stay. First of all, writ petition is not made. Question of stay does not arise. Yes.
Date may be fixed,
Once the notice is served,
please. And even
service of notice on respondent.
Seal number 15. Prakashas.
Yes. Yes.
Lord, I can comply, my lord, within 2 days, the office objection. I will comply office objection within 2 days, my lord.
Let's see the writ petition
Yes.
itself.
My lord, the respondent
What is,
has.
come to the prayer?
My lord, frame for the respond, my lord.
Yes. Seeking
My lord,
direction.
yes.
Quash the impugned order dated in criminal miscellaneous on the file of the senior civil judge.
There's a recovery proceedings initiated by the recovery proceedings of, my lord, loan under SARFAESI Act, my lord.
Why should this court interfere with section 14?
My lord, my lord.
Exceptional reason for coming before this court instead of going to the DRT.
My lord, this is a mercy petition, my lord, just to, my lord, since my lord, I hope the petitioners have.
The outstanding loan amount.
Has been, my lord, 5 lakhs is the borrowed amount. My lord, as on date of issuance of NPA, my lord, it was 5 lakhs 25,000 because intermittently he has
Are
paid.
you ready to pay that?
My lord, I can deposit, my lord, 50% of the outstanding amount.
Oh, 50%. You file an affidavit before this court when you can pay this amount, 2 months, 3 months, then we will pass an order. Not 50%, keeping it pending. When the writ petition itself is not maintainable, why should we keep it pending?
Yes.
If you are ready to pay the amount within 2-3
I am ready
months,
to pay.
come up with an undertaking affidavit. On that affidavit, we'll dispose of the matter.
Now, my lord, an auction notice has been issued.
When is
Public
the auction?
My lord, it is on 19th.
19th. So I'll list this matter on, 13 January. By the time
Please,
you come up with an affidavit.
Please, my lord.
Land council appearing for the, whatever is outstanding amount as on today, please tell
My
him
lord, 7,20,000, my lord.
7 lakh,
20,964, my lord.
7,20,009.
64, my lord. As per 26/12/2025, my lord.
26/12/2025.
Yes, my lord.
And the present writ petition is filed questioning the order passed by the magistrate under section 14 of the Surface Act. Land council appearing for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is ready to clear the entire outstanding amount, provided a reasonable opportunity is given. And the auction is going to be held on 19th.
My lord, one more, my lord, I may be permitted to the one OTS, my lord, between my lord respondent. One-time settlements, they may be permitted to, my lord, negotiate with them, because I have paid some amount during intermittently from 5/11/24 to.
Such an option is available to him for the OTS?
My lord, we are
Finance
already instructed, my lord, them, my lord. What happened, my lord? Even, my lord, they are not having the possession to pay the amount, my lord, as on today, my lord. When we are taken the possession, my lord, very same day, my lord, we are instructed the parties, my lord. If they are ready to pay the, what are the charges, my lord, for taking the possession, and what is the outstanding amount as on today charges, they are paid, my lord, entire amount, we are ready to regularize their account, my lord. But instead of, my lord, they are not ready to that, my lord, they approach this court, my lord. Even, my lord, yes.
No, according to you, for regularizing the account, how much amount has to be paid?
7 lakhs.
My
7
lord, there
lakhs.
is a 7 lakh is
the
a
entire amount.
entire amount, my lord.
Now, what is the amount that has to be paid to regularize the account?
My lord, charges, my lord, it may be, my lord, around 1,50,000 rupees charges, my lord, for taking the possession, my lord. My lord, there is the outstanding, there is the amount is, there is lapse of, my lord, around 6 to 8 months, they are not paid the amount, my lord.
We'll do one thing. I'll pass over this matter. You please come up with what is the exact amount that he
Yes,
needs
ma'am.
to pay for regularizing the account.
Please.
It may be
Pass over.
tomorrow, my lord.
No, again, tomorrow it is not possible. Pass
Yes,
over.
ma'am.
Yes, next.
Yes,
Pass. Next.
As petitioners are, my lord, petitioners are my husband and wife. Petitioners are the husband and wife. My lord, that second petitioner is, my lord, pregnant lady. Now, in such, under such circumstances, my lord, it is very.
Which matter?
In the same matter,
We'll
15.
see. Let
Please,
him come up with instructions.
please.
Pass. Hearing on IS, serial number 16.
I want the entire matter to be taken up.
Nagaraj?
If Lordship permit, I am prepared to
Saudi?
argue the whole case itself.
What is this writ petition about?
My lord, it's a case pertaining
May I
to
make
a
one
dismissal
submission?
case.
Lord, I filed, my lord, objections to the main petition, or also, my lord, the IA for seeking protection of additional documents. For this additional documents, IA is concerned, my lord, it could be heard, my lord, along with the main petition. Since, my lord, pleadings are completed, may I request on Monday, my lord, actually, I can, lord, place my arguments also.
This is matter on 2nd of February.
Please.
Yes.
Serial number 17. Sadiq and Gudwala.
This is a disposal matter, file an application, certain clarification, my lords.
Where is that order?
And I am permitted to withdraw the application, my lords.
You want to withdraw the application?
Application.
IA 1 of 2025 is filed seeking clarification. Then council submits that they may be permitted to withdraw the IA number 1 of 2025. Accordingly, permission is as sought, granted.
Please, my lord.
IA is dismissed as withdrawn. Yes, 18.
Serial number 18.
Oh, pass. Where is the council? You have informed.
Your Lordship,
List
serial-
along with that petition after on
Day after tomorrow, Your Lordship.
anyway, they are not there. We'll have it on 14th. Any urgency?
Please, Your Lordship, they have filed EP, Your Lordship, execution petition, and they're pressing.
On Thursday.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, next. Yes, 19.
Serial number 90. JR Turmari.
Claim petition dismissed, Lordship, on the ground.
Claim petition
Dismissed.
dismissed.
Vehicle damages, other side, sir, Lordship.
I number 1 of 2023 is filed to condone the delay of 40 days in filing for the reason stated. The delay is condoned on the condition that the petition, in case the petition is successful before this court, he is not entitled, the claimant is not entitled for the interest.
Court may be called for, Lordship. Claim
Admit,
petition.
post for final hearing, call for the TCR.
Please.
Yes, next.
Serial number 20.
20, my lord.
Mahesh Wadaya.
In this matter,
Anand
Lord,
Kumar.
now I have filed a wakalat, Lord,
My lord, I'm-
is to be represented. They have filed a statement of objections, Lord. I have to file a rejoinder to the statement of objections. Lord,
What
you
is the writ petition? Let's see writ petition.
Lord, the petitioner's temple is a, Lord, a religious nation, Lord.
1 minute.
May I submit, Your Lordship?
Who are you?
My lord, the temple, my lord.
You are the,
My lord, this is a
Filed
my lord,
on behalf of the
religious
temple.
denomination. My lord, temple is a religious denomination. My lord, here, my lord, we challenged my lord, the gazette notification, wherein my lord, the puja rights are being auctioned by respond number tender notification, wherein my lord, the puja rights are being auctioned by the respond number 1 and 2, a trust which is not in existence at all. Subsequently, they have produced a document. Their registration itself has been cancelled.
Please come to the cost title.
Please. Respond number, my lord, your lordship should kindly, the deputy commissioner, president of Navalagund Sissangi Trust, and also, my lord, the Sardesai Trust Charitable Fund, so on, represented by its secretary. One and the same, my lord.
You that. 20, section?
26. 26. Article 26, your lordship.
Article 26 of the
26 of the Constitution, my lord.
So,
Yes.
it is a private temple.
Please.
What is the case of the government?
My lords, this is the private trust. It is represented by the deputy commissioner in its ex officio, my lord. And in all the four matters, they have challenged the tender notification. And my lord, subsequently.
It's a private temple or it's a notified temple?
Please, it's a private trust, my lords, and the temple belongs to the trust premises, my lord.
You represent the trust?
I represent the
So
trust.
that is between you and the petitioner, no, official
Please,
respondent. What is the role of the deputy commissioner?
Deputy commissioner, my lords, this was the trust had many properties, my lords, and it was held by Lingraj Sardesai. Lingraj Sar, the then provincial
trust.
Please,
Is it registered under the?
Please. It is registered and it is also not a public trust, my lord. It's a private trust.
Then what is the business of the first respondent in this?
First respondent, deputy commissioner.
Deputy commissioner, my lord, by virtue of the will, he was appointed as the ex officio administrator of the will, my lord, properties. I have produced the document in my objections.
No. What is that I want to know?
Earlier,
It's
my
a
lords.
dispute between, he is a private, according to him, is a private temple, or according to you, it is a temple belonging to the trust.
Please.
It is a private trust. The endowment department has nothing to do. Once the endowment
Petitioners were the
department,
leaseholders of the.
that is, it will not, because he is an ex officio as per the trustee and all, it will not make it a endowment temple.
Please.
Once it is not a registered temple under the Endowments Act, why why a writ petition is filed before this court? It's a simple question.
My lord, two aspects, my lord. When my lord, the respond number 1 and 2, my lord, who is my lord, government, my lord, authorities, without any authority, that registration of trust.
Where is the action of the respondent?
My lord, your lordship shall kindly, my lord.
Their petition.
My lord will kindly. Annexure G, my lord, your lordship.
Page number?
130, my lord. 130.
130.
30. My lord, they issued a tender notification calling for, my lord, auctioning of puja rights, and also, my lord, the places, my lord, where, my lord, the puja, my lord, their coconuts and other things, my lord, were
With
being,
respect
my
to
lord,
four
and parking
premises of
others.
the trust property.
My lord, your lordship will kindly, my lord, page below, it is in Kannada. Just I will read. Jilladhikari ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು
Capacity will be a party to the trust.
Ex officio, my lords. By virtue of the will that the then provincial king made, even probate was obtained by Privy Council, my lord, in this matter. So it was the will of the king to appoint ex officio deputy commissioner as the administrator of the trust, my lord. That's the only chair. Other than that, there are 5 trustees, and the trust has been functioning in that manner.
No, if he is working,
I
acting under the
produced the
guise
will.
of the will,
Lord,
it will not give you the remedy under the public. It will not. It's not a. You can't have a public law remedy.
My lord, with your lordship's kind, my lord, leave me, lord. May I submit that registration of the trust itself has been, they have produced a document that has been cancelled, my lord.
That has not been challenged.
One minute. That has been cancelled.
No, we'll understand that yours is a, whatever the interstate disputes between the parties.
Please.
That we cannot deal under 226.
Please.
Now, though it is given under the name of deputy commissioner, he is not doing this act as a deputy commissioner of the endowment department. As an ex officio member,
Yes.
as per the will, he is doing it. Because he is doing that, you can't come before this court.
Please.
Lord, there are 2 aspects your lordships
Yes.
have to examine. Lord, with reference to this.
Yes.
Lord, one is, Lord, your lordships will kindly, deputy commissioner, Lord, is holding, Lord, is a, Lord, ex officio officer, Lord, he is exercising the powers, Lord, as a deputy commissioner, not in a private capacity, but as a, Lord, a trustee of this. That registration of trust itself has been, there are 2 prayers which are,
President of Navalgund Sri Sangh Trust Belgavi.
yes.
That is his capacity.
ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ನವಲಗುಂದ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು means deputy commissioner and lords the ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು president of Navlagund Sirsangi Trust Belgavi, lord. That lord, this lord is designated as a deputy commissioner, and lord, he is exercising his powers as a lord, as a trustee. Lord, 2 reliefs, lord, we have claimed him, lord, in this petition. One is notification which has been issued. It is totally one without authority of law. Second prayer, your lordship may kindly take, lord.
Yes.
Second prayer,
Yes.
my lord, your lord, issue an appropriate direction to the respond number 2 trust to refund the entire amount collected illegally and without authority, along with appropriate interest, which can be utilized for the development activity of the temple to cater the needs of the thousands of devotees of the petitioner temple in the interest of justice and equity. This is the second prayer. Lord, thirdly, Lord, that third prayer may not survive for the consideration. Lord, what I respect now, Lord, they have filed a statement of objections. Lord, for that, Lord, I want to file a rejoinder to them.
I'll not go into their statement of objections
Yes.
at all.
Yes.
We are on the writ petition. How it can now, according to you, it's your temple.
Yes.
According to them, it is a trust temple.
Please.
But how can a high court decide the interstate if they say that it is a notified temple, if it is a public temple, whether that notification is correct or not correct, whether you are put on notice or not, what will be the consideration before this court?
Please.
No, your interstate disputes with regard to the
My lord, one more
ownership
submission I have.
of the temple is not the concern. Now coming to the notification that is issued by the deputy commissioner as an ex officio member of a particular trust. If the trust deed itself is bad, it is for you to question that. He is not exercising the jurisdiction as a deputy commissioner. He is doing it as the ex officio member of the trust.
My lord, that is
My
in
lord,
the,
in
the
fact,
statement
once-
of objections, my lord, your lordship will kindly see. In the statement of objections, it is not their case, Lord, that they are not doing it. Lord, they assert this right. Lord, on the basis, Lord, this trust, Lord, is based on the deputy commissioner and
Make
Lord.
it very, I will, no,
Lord,
I'll make it
what-
clear.
Two aspects, Lord, I want to, Lord, bring it to your lordship, of course, Lord, your lordship may. Lord, 2 aspects I want to bring. Lord, whether the deputy commissioner, Lord, exercises the powers, Lord, as a ex officio chairman, and that is one aspect of the matter. The second aspect of the matter, Lord, the pleadings of the parties and the records which are produced, Lord, it is not there in individual capacity or private trust. Lord, it is there in the capacity, official capacity as a deputy commissioner. Then, Lord, this honorable court has got a jurisdiction. This aspect of the matter, Lord, what I request, I have not brought all the citations and the rejoinders. Lord, I will file a rejoinders, and thereafter, Lord, you will also may fix a date and they will address the arguments. Lord, the private person.
When I am clarifying in the writ petition, in the order, that whatever the notification that is issued by the deputy commissioner, It is not in his capacity as a deputy commissioner, but as an ex officio member of the trust. And the dispute between the trust and the petitioner with regard to the temple, whether it is a private, whether it belongs to you, belongs to them, both of you has to go to the civil court and get it decided.
In
This
fact, my
court
lord,
will
they had
not
already
decide
filed
all that.
OS, my lord.
And I will make it very clear that as a deputy commissioner, he cannot pass this order, but he has passed it as an ex officio member. That I will clarify. It's a very simple. For this, no rejoinders are required.
My
No
lord,
rejoinder is required. We will not keep this petition pending before this court.
they have espoused their
what-
cause already before
Lord,
OS.
only
court.
Yes, yes. That I will clarify, that I'll clarify. I'll clarify that, yes, he cannot, no, if it is, no, you can't write it as a deputy commissioner.
Yes.
As when you are issuing the notification.
My
it
lords,
should
I have
been-
one submission to make its way. And my lords, in fact, they have filed OS for permanent injunction. Against us only, my lords.
No, institution has not filed any suit, Lord, this is an incorrect
Private trust.
submission.
My lords, I have produced the additional documents.
Where is that?
It is not a suit for injunction of file.
Against
At
who?
page 20.
They have polluted.
Not institution, my lords, there the petitioners have filed.
Challenging those decrees. The injunction show, they have polluted and they have got the compromise the matter. I'm the third person, I am also entitled to participate in the auction. So this honorable court has granted the stay of those.
No, if there is a decree which is obtained by fraud, how can you file a writ petition for that? It's a decree.
No, it's a Lok Adalat.
Lok Adalat order. They have
before the
entered
civil
into
court.
compromise with us, my lord.
You are, who are you?
I'm the third person.
You are the?
Third person who participates in the auction, proposed notification. That is called for by the tender notification by the deputy commissioner. That I question not.
No, what I'll do is, I'll set aside this endorsement.
No, my lords, in
No,
Lok
please
Adalat, they have
understand,
entered
I'll set aside this endorsement that is given by the deputy commissioner. Let him, he is at liberty to do whatever he wants to do as an ex officio member. If they have any problem, let them go to the civil.
Please, please, please.
Also, my lords, the two petitioners, they have compromised and they have
My lord,
agreed to
so
pay
far,
some of
We will
45
not go
lakhs.
in the light of this when this.
My lord, so far my refund is
Got
concerned.
paid for 1 year, my lord.
Once.
And
Yes.
the amount will be used
Yes,
for
yes.
scholarship,
My
my
lord.
lord.
Yes.
My lord, that is one aspect of the, I am satisfied so far, the first prayer, as you will also put it. The second prayer, Lord, I sought for a refund of this amount because it has been illegally, Lord,
Whom it should be refunded?
Lord, it is a deputy commissioner who has to refund. Deputy trust has to refund.
Idare, my lord.
One
Why should it be?
Lord, because Lord, this has been illegally, Lord.
It has to be decided whose temple is that? That has to be decided by the.
Lord, you will also be kindly kept open that question,
Yes.
Lord, to be agitated by the parties.
Yes.
Please.
My petitions are concerned.
No, let me look at it.
Yes.
Now, we are at 20. 20
Well,
is
also
filed
the-
by whom?
Direction.
That is
money has to
WP
be paid.
105242 of 2023.
By the, my Lord, temple.
You.
First.
Then what about next one? 105233 of 2023. 105
That
K
is-
Anand Kumar,
Please,
advocate.
please, ma'am.
What, who are you?
I am one of the businessmen. That three similar situations, person like all three of them.
You're all auction, you participated in the auction?
Yes, please.
We are the persons who are holding the properties in the capacity of Millards. Since Millards are property, Millards is given to us. We
By
are doing
whom?
the business there.
No, by whom?
They claim it is by the.
It's a
No,
vehicle parking.
is it in pursuance of this tender notification?
No. Clear tender notification has been invited. Our case is that we have no authority to call for tender. Same notification has been challenged in all the repetition. I have filed two repetition. One is.
No, let me understand.
Yes.
This WP 105232. Give the prayer in that. Let's see.
They have challenged the same tender notification.
Let me look at the prayer.
No.
Where is the prayer? Quashing the impugned notification issued by the respondent. So you want the qualification of the notification. Then 20.2, what is the relief?
We want the tender notification
To be quashed. Then 20.3. Also same?
Same.
Hanumanth Reddy.
Hanumanth Reddy,
You
sir.
also want the notification to be quashed.
I have filed two repetition. One is 105318 is pursuant to very same notification.
You want a quash, I mean, notification to be quashed.
Next petition, my lord, is
20.4.
2864, challenging the local law award. It's a consequential matter, passing the notification.
Then once this notification goes,
Yes, otherwise, this decree can be enforced by them, interested, they have compromised the matter.
this 20.4, I'll pass a separate order. This writ petition, keep it separate. Yes. WP number 105242, 105232, 105241, WP 105318 of 2023. All these writ petitions, WP number so and so is filed seeking the following prayers. All the prayers, all the writ petitions, please extract the prayers. It is, all these writ petitions are filed questioning the auction notification that is issued by the Deputy Commissioner. The writ petitions are disposed of by way of a common order. The case of the writ petitioner in 105242 of 2023 is that
The commissioner, chairman of the Assembly Trust.
who?
Administration.
The it is that the petitioner is the Dharmika Parishad of Sri Jogula Bhavi Satyamma Devi Devasthan, and the other petitioners or the members whose families and their ancestors who have constructed the temple and have been performing the puja of the deity for the past more than 70 years. It is a case that right from 1976, they have been performing the puja to the deity through lease auction of the puja rights. And they have been sincerely depositing the auction amount every year without any default. Now it is a grievance of the petitioner that the respondent number 1, who is a deputy commissioner, that I'll record what is each, that I will. It is now the grievance of the petitioner. Page number, where is the notification? Page number?
130.
130?
130.
Now the petitioner, it is a grievance of the petitioner that now the deputy commissioner and president of Navalgund Sri
Sirsangi
Trust, Belgavi, issued the notification dated 1/8/2023. Calling for tenders from the eligible persons for leasing the for auctioning the leasehold rights of the shops situated in the premises.
Shops, vehicle parking, as well as temple puja rights. Fourth.
Puja rights.
No, but if you where do you get it?
The 4 different
Four
petitions
different,
for 4 premises, my lord.
For auctioning the leasehold rights of the shops that are situated within the temple, and also auctioning the
Puja rights.
Puja rights. Puja rights, parking.
Puja rights.
Parking
The
place.
temple and the well, Lord,
Well.
which is it
Puja
is a
rights.
religious well,
That's
Lord.
pertaining to the temple. It is a case that the deputy commissioner according to the petitioner, it is a private temple and the deputy commissioner has no business to interfere with the activities of a private temple. Hence, they are before this court, questioning the said notification issued by the deputy commissioner. WP number 105241 of 20, or WP 105232 of 2023, K. Anand Kumar. What were you doing there? What are you doing? Businessman, you have a shop. You are selling coconut in the shops that are
Open space,
situated
not
in the
that.
open space that
Sheds
is
they have,
situated within the premises of the temple. WP 105241 of 2023, this petitioner is also selling the coconut in the said premises. And WP number 105318.
I'm the third person. I want to participate.
And 105318 of 2023, you want to participate?
Please.
Very fast, with an exorbitant amount.
He has questioned the tender notification. According to them, the amount, the eligibility criteria is not correct. Your repetition has to go because you can't question all that. No, that we will go to your repetition. Will go later. It is stated, he has also,
Again, title.
he is also disputing the ownership of the trust. Yeah, trust. Next para. The land council appearing for the petitioners, the land council appearing for the respondent submits that this is a private trust and the deputy commissioner is an ex officio member. Right from the Privy Council, there are several orders to show that the trust belongs to the temple belongs to the trust, and in the capacity of the ex officio member of the trust, the notification is issued by the deputy commissioner. It is a submission of the land council for the respondent that the dispute, if the petitioners are disputing the ownership of the said temple, they have to go before the civil court and file an appropriate suit. It is submitted that in fact, the petitioner in WP 105242 of 2023 has already filed a suit against the deputy.
105241.
105241 of 23 has already filed a suit seeking injunction against the, I think it is
Two petitions, my lords, actually. Two petitions that are listed before.
That is 105318.
10524221, my lords, and another one is
5318. 5318.
No, my lords.
Lords,
1052.
item number 20 and item number 20.2.
Item number?
20.
Petitioner in WP 105242 of 2023 and the petitioner in WP number 105241 of 2023 have filed the suit.
Please.
Have filed the suit against, not the trust, against the deputy commissioner.
No, my lords, against the trust. I have
Against the
produced.
trust and against the trust and obtained an injunction.
No, my lords, we have compromised the Lok Adalat order.
And the
In the
same
injunction was rejected. in
and the
fact,
same
my
is compromised. It is submitted that the present writ petition is not maintainable before this court. Learned, the Assistant Government at AGA submits that, Additional Government Advocate submits that the notification is issued in the capacity of the ex officio member of the trust, but not in the capacity of the Deputy Commissioner of the Endowment Department. It is submitted that
by virtue of the will, my lords.
by virtue of the will. Will dated?
1908. The probate was obtained, my lords, on
By virtue of the
19 in the year 1907. My lord. Probate was
will
obtained.
and
To which the probate was
will
obtained.
and a probate was issued
On
Probate was
1906
issued,
ಅಲ್ಲ?
In the year 1907.
probate was issued in the year 1907.
At annexure R2, annexure R2, my lords.
The next, having heard the counsels on either side, there is the material on record. If the petitioners are aggrieved by any of the inaction on the part of the deputy commissioner, no doubt, a writ petition lies to this court. Here, the undisputed facts are, no, the admitted facts as per the petitioner that it is a private temple. It is an admitted fact on behalf of the respondent that it is a private trust. Private trust. When the dispute is between two people with regard to a particular temple and their rights, their remedy is not before this court, but before the competent court, where they can have an effective adjudication of the disputes. No doubt, the notification shows that he is the deputy commissioner and also President of Navalgund Sri Rasangi Trust, Belgavi. When he is acting as an ex officio member and the president of Navalgund Trust, the notification shouldn't have mentioned as a deputy commissioner, as it gives the impression that it is on behalf of the endowment department. Such a notification is given by the deputy commissioner. The petitioner has sought, the petitioner in WP 105242 has sought two reliefs. One is
Quash the notification, Your Worship.
quash the
Page
tender
27, Your
notification.
Worship.
And the second relief is to refund the entire amount collected illegally without any authority, along with appropriate interest. As far as the first relief is concerned, considering the manner in which the notification is issued, the notification needs to be set aside. However, coming to the second relief, this court cannot pass any order as whether the petitioner is the owner of the said temple belongs to the petitioner, or the said temple belongs to the second respondent is a disputed question of fact, which is yet to be adjudicated on a petition to be filed by the aggrieved party. Hence, the petitioner is not entitled for any relief. Then coming to the other reliefs, the writ petitions, that is WP 105232 and 105241 are concerned. As this court is already setting aside the notification, no further adjudication on these writ petitions is required. Then coming to WP 105318 of 2023, the petition is before this court on two grounds. One is that the amount that is fixed, the conditions that are fixed by the second respondent, by the respondents is not appropriate, and the second respondent is not the owner of the property. The fifth respondent is not the owner of the property, and they have no right to issue this. Whether the fifth respondent is owner of the property or not, that this court cannot decide. And he cannot question the amount, the terms and conditions of the tender. And on both these grounds, the writ petition, that is WP 5918 of 2023, has to be dismissed. Accordingly, this court is passing the following order in all the writ petitions. The impugned notification date, the impugned, what is this? The impugned tender notification dated 1/8/2023 is set aside, and it is left open to the first respondent to issue the notification in the capacity of president of the is at liberty to issue the notification as the one minute as the chairman, as the president of the trust. Next, number two, if the petitioners are agreed that
the fifth respondent is not the owner of the temple. It is always open to the petitioners to avail the appropriate remedy available to them. Next. One, yes, because you can't go. Yours, the other writ petition, we will decide your other writ petition. Because you say that is so and so is bad. Now anyhow it is going. But the reliefs that you sought, we can't grant. Yes, yes. No, I'll record. Now reasoning is following like the operative portion. On those grounds, I can't entertain. But you are at liberty to question their ownership. That I cannot decide here. That liberty I'll give now. Each writ petition wise, I am saying that. What did you write?
They may be directed to pay the money, no?
It is for them to approach the according WP number 105232 of 2023 and WP 105241 of 2023 are disposed as the writ petition and the auction notification dated so and so is set aside, giving liberty to them to avail the appropriate remedy. Then coming to WP 105318 of 2023 is concerned. The reliefs of the relief that are sought. One, the tender notification, the conditions or the conditions that are set the conditions in the tender.
Eligibility.
Laid down in the tender.
Eligibility.
Huh?
Eligibility
Criteria is bad, and eligibility criteria is bad. This court cannot interfere. Then coming to the ownership of the fifth respondent, the petitioner is at liberty to avail the appropriate remedy. All are covered. All the petitions are covered. Now we will look at his writ petition. I'll give that 201028.
Before that, Lord, may I not make it? Lord, prayer number 2, my Lord, your Lordship will complete.
That I said already that prayer now in first writ petition, the second prayer with regard to refund of the amounts is left open to the petitioner to avail to seek the appropriate remedy before the appropriate court.
Please.
My Lord, in fact, all contentions of the parties are left open, and this court has not expressed any opinion on the merits of the matter, but except on the maintainability of the writ petition before the court.
Applies.
Where is that? IA number 1 of 25 is filed to condone the delay of 459 days in filing the LR application. The delay is condoned. Then IA number 2 of 25 is filed to set aside the abatement. Consequently, IA number 2 is allowed by setting aside the abatement. Then IA number 3 of 25 is filed to bring the LRs of the deceased petitioners on record. The same is allowed. The petitioner shall file the amended copy. Yes.
Grateful to your Lordship.
First matter. Sir, all IAs, all other IAs stands closed.
My Lord, there is one connected matter that.
That I will take it. Please. Give that to 20.4.
20 point.
Grateful.
Yes.
In my writ petition, they are also my party because I made.
They're all parties?
Yes, they are all parties.
Then they don't want to contest.
Because they have colluded each other. They have obtained the decree before the civil court where they want to get the property among themselves. Will also may kindly see, my lord, the annexure.
Please come to that compromise decree passed.
Yes, yes. That's
what. Where is the legal services?
Joint memo may kindly be seen, my lord.
Page number?
Page number 66. There are 4 respondents, my lord. I produced the 4 documents, but one is all are similar.
Temple is not a party.
Temple is not a party.
Yeah, trust is the party. My Lord, in fact,
You know of, my lord, quashing, my lord, the notification. It is a consequential, my lord. Yes.
Shivanand, son of so and so.
Yes.
Who is Shivanand?
Is a petitioner first.
Which one is
in
whom
other-
my learned friend has represented? He is
You are,
Is
you
one
you
of
are
the
representing the
petitioner.
temple. Shivanand, who is Shivanand?
My Lord, your lordship should kindly, temple is represented by a committee. Lord, they say that the one of the persons, Lord, who has signed it, Lord, without the consent of the temple
Then,
and other members.
Then the respondent is the trust. Who are you?
Lord, my temple, Lord.
No, I am the third person, madam.
Third party.
Because the suit is filed by, my lord, these respond number 1 to 4 against, my lord, trust.
What is your interest in the temple?
No, not in the temple, madam. Kindly see, my lord, annexure of page 66, where your lordship will come to know.
Tell the court, when you say you're a third party, are you a person, an interested person as per the definition in the Endowment Act? Or what is what is your role that
No,
I'm not able to understand?
I am the third person entitled to participate in the tender. That right is taken away by virtue of this compromise. You lordship may kindly see page 66, annexure F, where it is compromise memo is filed before the Lok Adalat, and it is blindly accepted, and certain amount is
According
fixed.
to you, the entire world can come and file a petition, writ petition saying that my interest to participate is defeated, so I'll file a writ petition and you have to set aside the award. How can it be?
When, my lord, the dishonorable court has granted a stay of the, my lord, the notification in all the writ petition, they knows that, my lord, there is a stay. This respondent also knows about the stay.
Is to arm twist us to reduce the time.
Please read the compromise.
Please.
Yes.
How can there be an order saying that, no, not only you, so many people wants to participate. So they will come before the court saying that this award has to be set aside. How can the award be set aside?
If it is prima facie shown to the, my lord, the court that, my lord, fraudulently they have obtained it, when the tender notification itself is stayed by this honorable court, how can they interest say, my lord, they adjust the matter and to terms of conditions?
Asking what is your locus?
Because I am the third person, my lord.
That is, you are the third. There are two people who say that they are the owners of the property, temple, whatever it is. That is their business. How can a third party say because two people have compromised, I will be defeated?
Oh no, their agreement has been to be entered.
Let us read.
Yes, page 66, annexure F may kindly be seen. This is the terms of compromise. There are
Let
two.
us read the entire from 66 so that we'll understand.
66, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The above said suit is filed before the Honorable Court of the Relief for permanent injunction against the defendant not to dispose of the plaintiff from the suit property, that is Saudati Devi Temple and Vardhan and Jogalabavi well settled Satyama Temple and Vardhana measuring east to west so and so, north to south.
Please tell the court this injunction suit, is it in rem or personam?
No, it is not. That's what I want to. It in an injunction suit. That is one of the ground I have taken.
Between two parties?
Yes,
It will
ma'am.
not bind you.
No. It may not bind me, but you lordship may kindly see page 67, terms of conditions, where defendant number 1, defendant fixed the lease rent amount of rupees 45 lakhs per year for the first 3 years from 1/12/24 to 30/11/2027 without going for the auction.
You also file a suit. You also file a suit against the trust. You can file. This will not come in your way.
No, but this decree will be remain. They will execute the decree and they will take the amount and they will give the property to
Between
them.
them, you can file your own independent suit. This is not the way we interfere. Any of the notification has gone now. Jeez. No, both of them are fighting against each other.
Yes, let's not fight. I'm not. My submission is, it is a decree, it is not an order of the authorities. They can enforce it anytime. Because up to 27, the period is there. I can understand period is over, it become infructuous. And next you will also further lease rent amount of rupees fixed 47 lakhs 25,000 per year for the period from 1/12/27 to 30/11/2028.
No, Mr. Harmant Reddy, this kind of matters can't be interfered. How can two, it's an injunction suit, they have compromised.
No, that's what I'm telling.
Sir, I can understand you have any vested interest in that. It is not even the case that you will be given you will be a highest bidder in the auction and you will get it.
My submission is, the ultimately trust has to get the more amount.
It is a private trust.
Yes.
It is a private trust.
Yes, I am not disputing it. If they want to get the highest amount, they should go for auction. Without going for auction, shortcut method is used.
No, they want it. It's their problem. How are you concerned? How are you concerned? They wanted trust in their interest, whatever according to their trust deed, they wanted to do it. What is the third party to do with that?
If that is the case,
It can't.
the lordship
Please
can
start.
observe that any of the quashing the notification.
But the decree remains to be.
That's what I'm my anxiety. Tomorrow they may execute the decree.
We can't interfere. Please come. The present writ petition is filed. Seeking the following prayer. It is a case of the petitioner that he is a third party and he wants to participate in the auction to be conducted by the trust/temple. In view of the compromise that is entered between the petitioner and the trust.
No. Respond number 1 to 5.
Respondent number 1 and 2.
1, 2 and 1 to 5.
1 to 5, his right to participate between the respondents. And because of the collusion between the respondents, petitioner has lost his valuable right. As such, the award on the ground of fraud has to be set aside. If this is not set aside, the petitioner would not be in a position to participate in the auction,
To be called by the respond number 5.
to be called by the respondents.
Respond number 5.
Respondent number 5. The next paragraph. This court do not find any force in the argument of the learned counsel and the prayer that is sought to set aside the award that is passed by the Lok Adalat on the grounds that are stated by the petitioner. It's are not permissible. The respondents or the private parties, and according to them, they are fighting, and it's a suit for injunction between the parties. They have compromised, and they have compromised, and they have entered into before the Lok Adalat, an award is passed. The petitioner cannot be permitted to say that such compromise is bad and it is obtained by playing fraud. The petitioner has any grievance against any of the parties, the trust, the temple. This, the petition, the compromise decree between the parties will not bind him. And he has any independent relief, if he is seeking any relief against the parties, he can always avail the said remedy. But on the ground that if in case they call for the auction, if this compromise decree is not there, they will call for the auction and he will be able to participate. And this decree between the parties, because of the decree between the parties, he is not able to, he will not be able to participate. And that's a ground to set aside the Lok Adalat award. This court is of the view that on such ground, the writ petition is not, on such ground, the award cannot be set aside. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy, if any, under the law.
Please.
Yes, next.
My lord, in the second writ petition, for retirement, I am not present.
20.1. Of IA number, a memo is dismissed as not present.
Please.
Yes, next.
Bill number 21. Yes, Saudagar. Yes, Saudagar.
MFA of 2023, not even till now notice is ordered. Notice to the respondent. Just after service of notice. Yes, 22.
Number 22. Sir Hegde.
It's the Illar matter, my lord. Gentleman matter. Seven, my lord.
What is this?
Appeared for the
We should go before the other court.
portal number 7, my lord.
Oh, LR is having the list is matter before the court having roster.
Obliged.
Yes, 23.
Cell number 23, Rajendra R. Patil.
Yes, 23.
Claimants appeal, my lord, the delay of 419 days. Claimants appeal. Notice of
Matter.
notice, my sir.
All are served.
Sir,
I
appeared.
number one.
Also appeared.
I number 1 of 24 is filed to condone the delay of 419 days. Same is condoned for the reasons stated in the accompanying.
The interest may be waived.
Condition that they will not be entitled for interest. Call for the TCR. List is matter for final hearing.
Please.
Yes,
Admission.
24.
24, I am appearing for respondent number 3, my lord.
Yes.
Lords, I appear for petitioner. Lords, in this case, on last occasion, this honorable court has not extended the interim order. That I may not survive. But for on merits,
Petition about.
Lords, on merits is concerned. Lords, I seek short accommodation till Wednesday for the reason that not similar issue was pending. I was told that similar issues were pending before Apex Court and they have been dismissed. And I've been told that review petition has been filed. Not for clarification purpose, I seek some short accommodation.
So list is against you.
Yes, my lords, it is against me. I have preferred review.
The list
Next
is-
Tuesday it can be
No, there is no vacate petition because the stay is not extended.
extended. Of course.
When was this? From on 26/9/2024, the interim order is extended. Thereafter, the matter came up before the court on 24/11/2025 and also on 16/12/2025 when the interim order is not extended. Hence, I number 1 of 2024 doesn't survive for consideration. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship,
May I seek
for respondent number 1 and 2 for Shivraj Gollolli, his name will be deleted, my lords.
Then who is, Avinash?
Avinash Angadi is appearing.
Delete the name of Mr. Shivraj S. Balloli for R1 and R2.
Please.
Please.
Yes, next.
Yes, there are 10 cases, my lord.
There are
The challenge
about 7, 8, 9 matters.
point 1, point 2 and point 4, my lord. Notice has to be issued, my lord.
No, let's see 25 first.
Hmm.
25 all are served.
All served, my lord.
So in 25, I number 2 of, what is the delay of your for
1249, my lord.
your for the claimant?
Claimants, my lord.
I number 1 or 2 of 24 is filed to condone the delay of 1249 days in filing the appeal. Same for the reasons stated in the accompanying affidavit. The delay is condoned condition that they are not entitled for interest. Admit, post for final hearing, call for the TCR. Next 25.1.
A notice has to be issued, my lord. But notice,
Dispensation, IA 1/24 for dispensation of certificate copy of the judgment. Why the judgment should be, what happened? Where did
no,
you
my
file
lord,
that?
connected case, my lord. There are 10 cases.
I number 1/24 is filed, seeking dispensation of the certificate copy of the judgment. As it is submitted that there are a batch of matters and in the connected matters, the same is filed. Accordingly, IA 1/24 is allowed. This is in 25.1. Then in IA number 2 and in MFA, notice to the respondents. Then 25.2, same, in this
Please,
also is a dispensation, then notice. Then 25.3.
I have to take steps on R1, my lord.
Shall take steps within a week or else the appeal shall stand dismissed.
Please, ma'am.
Against R1 2, against R1.
Please, ma'am.
Then IA number 1/24, this also is the dispensation. Notice to the respondents.
Please, my lord.
This 25.4.
R1 steps to be taken, my lord.
IA
25.4 notice
for
has to.
dispensation ordered, then notice. Then 25.5 for steps, same default order. Then I number 1 for dispensation of the certificate copy ordered, notice.
6 is steps, my lord.
6 also steps, a week's time default order.
7, 8, 9 served, my lord.
It's served.
Please, ma'am.
All are served, yes. 25.7. I number 2 of 24, 1249 days is condoned. Admit final hearing TCR. 25.8 also same order. 25.9 same order. Yes, 26.
Please, ma'am.
Number 26.
States appeal for enhancement.
Hanumantar
There is a 483 days delay, my lord.
483 days condoned on condition. Admit final hearing TCR. 27.
My lord, delay may be, my lord, denying the interest.
That's
There is
what.
a not, please,
Anything above 100, no interest.
please.
Any delay above 100, no interest. Below 100 with interest. Yes, 27.
Still number 27.
I am for the appellant, my lordship. And this project is Hirehalnar project.
Huh?
This project is Hirehalnar project.
Hmm.
There is delay of the 35 days and 11/1/2007 notification under section 4 clause 1 is issued and notification in the official gazette.
And except the notice for R2.
For R2.
Yes.
Who are the respondents? Let's see.
Landowner.
Why notice is not ordered till now in the 2024 matter? Who represents the special land acquisition officer? One AGA.
Government.
Huh?
Government.
Respondent number 1, AGA takes notice. Respondent number 2, Mr. So-and-so. Submits that he has instructions to file wakalat. Yes. Notice. Not notice. List this matter after 4 weeks. Yes. 28.
Appearing for the appellant. Corporation appeal challenging the quantum and negligence, my lord. The charge sheet has been filed against the rider of the motorcycle. The accident occurred in the middle of the road. There is a delay of 9 days in filing the appeal.
What is happening from 24 till now, 26? No, stay is not granted till now.
So, notice not yet ordered, my lord.
It is never listed.
No, not listed.
No, where is the question of stay? They might have filed the execution by this time.
My lord, they may file, my lord, the execution petition. That's why I sought for the, my lord,
No, they may, that means from the last 2 years, they have not filed.
not filed. Oh, not filed.
The amount
My lord,
granted.
the amount awarded by the tribunal is, my lord, 6,06,600.
It's a case of injury.
Case of injury, my lord. My lord,
On what ground the corporation this?
negligence, my lord. The accident occurred at the middle of the road. Though the charge sheet has been filed,
What is this RTC?
my lord, NWKRTC.
The RTC is before this court, questioning the quantum of, questioning the award on the ground of, questioning the award as stating that land council appearing for the corporation submits that there is a contributory negligence on the part of the claimant, and the amount that is the court, without considering the same, has granted the compensation, considering the same, stay 50% for 4 weeks.
6 weeks.
Huh?
6 weeks.
Why it is Dharwad, it is 6 weeks.
Because, my lord,
6 weeks.
Please.
Notice to the respondents. Yes, next.
Much.
Huh? Just notice in all. Yes.
Appear for.
Bill number 29.
Yes.
Please. Now, my lord, by virtue of the impugned order passed by the Honorable District Court, 2 regular appeals were preferred by the petitioners, challenging the judgment and decree passed by the civil court, declaring their suit for the relief of possession, and other appeal filed, challenging dismissal.
You are the defendant in the suit.
I am the defendant in the suit.
He has filed the suit for?
Suit for possession. Suit came to be decreed. In the suit, I had also filed a counterclaim to declare that by virtue of adverse possession, I have perfected my title in respect of the commercial premises. But against the dismissal of the suit, I have filed 1 appeal, and against dismissal of my counterclaim also came to be dismissed. 2 appeals came to be preferred before the appellate court. Now those appeals are ordered to be returned back on the ground that the appellate court doesn't have the pecuniary jurisdiction. Last occasion, this honorable court, by taking into consideration of the pendency of the writ appeal before the honorable principal bench, with regard to the challenge laid to the amended provisions of the Karnataka Civil Code.
It's still pending.
It is still pending, and it is ordered to be listed on 3rd of February, at 2:30.
List this matter. It is submitted that.
2nd week or 3rd week of February.
It is submitted that with regard to the submitted that a writ appeal is pending before the principal bench, which is likely to be listed on 3rd of February. List this matter on 12th of February.
Please, interim order.
Look at it. If interim order is there, extend the
Please.
next date of hearing. Yes.
Still number 30. Girish S. Fulmani. Girish S. Fulmani.
For appellants,
Yes.
notice may be issued.
Why they are not, how many times they have come up before the court? Notice to the respondent. Yes.
Seal number
31.
31.
Appearing for appellant is the delay 2,388 days, my lord, in filing appeal, my lord. Appeal filed by the respondent,
Notice,
my lord.
notice to the respondents. Yes, 32.
Seal number 32. Girish Fulmani.
Yes, my lords. Notice has been issued to R1, my lords.
Notice to R1 dispensed with. R2 the revision United India Insurance, who appears? What's your name? So and so is directed to take notice on behalf of the R2 Insurance Company. Learned counsel for the appellant shall serve the copy of the appeal memo on the counsel. Next, IA number 1025 is condoned the delay of 343 days for the reason stated condoned on condition that they are not entitled for interest. Admit course of finalization. Yes, next.
Number 33.
Court officer, please keep the list of the advocates, insurance company advocates. Keep it in a folder and keep it here. Yes.
Seal number 33.
Yes, 33.
Anjanayam.
Seeking enhancement, there is a delay of 283 days.
Yes, 283 days condoned on condition. Admit final hearing TCR 34.
Please.
Seal number 34. 34.
Insurance company appeal, my lord. Then appeal by the insurance company disputing the quantum of compensation.
How much is granted?
Please. He claims that he was working as a relationship officer in some private company.
No, no. How much is the compensation granted?
6,68,155 for one fracture.
It's a case of injury.
Injury, please. Injury. He had sustained
But
one fracture.
in the other matter, first stay is granted. Which one?